In this video, we are going to discuss an effect which is much more useful than the simple amplification, and that is the compress option. So if I go to effects and volume and compression, there is an option called compressor. Now what normal amplifier does, let's see this. Let's say that if I select the whole clip and I'll just go to the effects and click on amplify and just simply amplify this audio. So you will notice that all the waves go up. That means all of the volume in my particular clip increased. Regardless of whether I want to increase that particular part or not, even the noise in the background will increase by default. So you can see this, it increased this extra volumes as well. So what compressor does is it will reduce the sound for the silent parts and increase the volume for the speech part. It automatically kind of analyzes where I want to amplify and where I want to reduce the sound. So this is the main concept of it. Let's go to the effects and click on compressor, and by default the settings are like this. It's -12 dB and all of this. So let's click on apply directly and you can notice the change here. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if I want to apply to a particular part, let's say here, let's select that whole part, go to the effects and go to volume and compression and click on compressor here and let's apply. So this is how the compressor works. But if you want to reduce this extra noises further, you need a separate option for that, and that is noise removal or noise reduction options. But for now, this is how you use the compressor function.